As I travel around Japan, I have big eyes and big ears, and I'm always noticing beautiful things. And in this case, it's Japanese landscaping and gardening. This is called a roof or a bridge into the entry of this home. So what the Japanese gardener has done is taken this tree very sensitively and tied a piece of bamboo on there to create a straight roof across the entryway to the driveway. It is just absolutely stunning. And then as you see, all the trees in the background have been bonsai'd out as well. You see this everywhere in Japan. They're all different kinds of roofs. Some go up at an angle, some are more flat. This one's huge, going all the way across the driveway and even touching the other side of the house. They've trained it that way. Here's another one. Now, as I've traveled around, I've actually stopped and talked to some Japanese landscapers and gardeners and bonsai professionals. I said, what is this thing? And they said, well, it's a roof. I go, well, it doesn't look like a roof to me. It almost looks like kind of a phallic symbol. And they laugh profusely and wave their hands. No, it's not a phallic symbol. It's just a roof. Do you really believe that? I don't know if I do.